my channel. For those of you who are already part of my family, for those of you who are new, my name is Selena, also known as Nurse Key. I am a licensed practical nurse, and on my channel I talk about nursing, beauty, feminine health, lifestyle, and YouTube growth. In today's video, as mentioned in the title, we are going to be going over 4 of my absolute favorite, easy to make DIY face masks. These face masks target different issues, but they target very common skin issues that I'm sure you could relate to. So if you are suffering with hyperpigmentation or scarring, acne, dull looking skin, dry skin, psoriasis, or eczema, this video is definitely. If you're excited to learn something new and you want to support the channel, before we start, go ahead and drop me a like down below. It really helps the channel a lot. All right, without further ado, let's get into the video. I really hope you enjoy it. So the first mask is the intense hydration mask, and this one is great because the weather is getting colder and you guys know that means drier skin. These are the ingredients that you're going to be needing to make this mask. So as you guys can see, I just have a pack of some organic oats, and I'm going to show you guys the pack or the brand that I use just in case you guys are curious. So this is the brand I use, and I just go ahead and use 1 pack of that and put it into a blender. Now, the reason why I put it in a blender is because these are whole oats, and it just gets very clumpy and very messy. I think the application is much easier and much smoother when it is grinded and the oats are kind of like fine. So I'm just grinding them until they become almost like flour pretty much, so that the application is easier. And I'm going to show you guys in a second what that looks like. So you guys can see the oats aren't as big as they were before. So what I'm going to do to this mask is I'm going to go ahead and add half of an avocado. Avocados are amazing for your skin, and we're going to talk about the benefits in just a second. So I'm just going to go ahead with half of an avocado, and I'm just going to scoop that out. That's just yogurt, by the way. And I'm using yogurt for a base in most of my masks, simply just because yogurt is super hydrating and it's just an overall really good base to work with when it comes to masks. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that, and I'm just using a makeup applicator sponge, and that may be weird to you guys, but I just think it just helps me a lot with the application if you don't have an applicator brush. My brush is dirty, so I didn't want to use it. And yeah, I just used a clean sponge. They're like $1 and you get 100 in a pack. So hey, that is what I'm using for this mask, and I'm just applying this all over my face. And you can see my skin just instantly looks way more hydrated. So let's talk a bit about the benefits of this mask. We know that avocados contain healthy fats and vitamins that are great for repairing the skin. Oats contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help with dry skin and conditions like eczema and psoriasis. And these 2 ingredients combined together with yogurt will have your skin feeling so hydrated and so smooth. So for this mask, I'm just going to be using some organic turmeric powder, and I'm just going to be using a generous tablespoon, and I'm going to put that in a bowl. And then I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I used 1 tablespoon at first, but it was way too thick. So I went in and added an extra tablespoon, and then it ended up looking nice and creamy like this. And that is what you want for a nice smooth application with your sponge. Now this really stains a lot, so be careful. You don't want to ruin your manicure with this. It will stain your nails and make them yellow permanently, okay? So make sure you're using a glove and either a paper towel or an old rag to remove it. And I'm just gonna go ahead with my applicator sponge and apply that all over my face and leave it on for about 15 minutes or so. So I've spoken to you guys about turmeric a few times, and it is magical. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help with acne and other inflammatory issues related to skin. And some studies have shown that turmeric may be able to lighten your scars and your hyperpigmentation over time, but you have to be consistent. After using this mask, you can expect your skin to feel smoother and for it to have a brighter and more vibrant look. And just to elaborate on the word brighter, I mean the opposite of dull. So this is not to lighten or change your skin color. All right, so for this one, the only thing you're going to be needing is a fresh aloe vera plant. Mine was going old, so I wanted to use it before it went bad. I know you guys are going to ask me if you can use like store-bought aloe vera gel, and I guess you can use that. But in my personal opinion, nothing beats a good old fresh aloe vera plant from the grocery store. So I would definitely recommend that. They're super cheap. I think I got this one for like $1. So look at that good old jelly. I'm just going to take half of that and apply it all over my skin. And it was nice and cold, so it was so soothing. And that is one of the benefits of aloe vera. And it could definitely help you with any inflammation or puffiness on your face, especially first thing in the morning, because it just has that cooling effect. And it really does a good job at staying cold. So if you have it in the fridge or in the freezer and then you start rubbing your face with that, it'll definitely help you with some puffiness. I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 cucumbers on my eyes because you guys could see I was a little bit swollen there, and I kept that on for about 15 minutes. So there are many benefits to using aloe vera. It supports your skin's collagen production, which helps with healing and preventing the signs of aging, such as like wrinkling and skin sagging, things like that. It also helps with speeding up wound healing time, which can be a prevention for scars, but it also helps with things like cuts and sunburns. So there are many benefits to this stuff. Absolutely love it. So for this recipe, I'm just using some instant coffee. I don't really make coffee from home. When I get coffee, I get it from outside. So I just got like this random brand from the gas station. But honestly, any instant coffee should be fine. So I'm just putting that in a tablespoon or 2 of some yogurt, some plain yogurt. Once again, I told you guys, yogurt is an amazing base. And this stuff smelled so good. I literally wanted to eat it, guys. I literally wanted to eat it. But it went on so smooth. It felt so good. The yogurt was cold, so it really had that nice soothing effect, similarly to the aloe vera, and the application was amazing. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch me apply this, and then in a few seconds we'll be going over the benefits of using coffee on your face. So because of its natural rough texture, it has an exfoliating effect on your skin, which can help get rid of dead skin, leaving your skin feeling soft. That would apply if we were using it as an exfoliant today. However, because we mixed it with yogurt, it's not really going to have that effect on this mask. However, some research has shown that it contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that are great for fighting acne. Because it also contains caffeine, it naturally dilates blood vessels, which can make it great for dark circles and an overall more awake and bright look. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to let me know down in the comments below which one was your favorite mask and what is the skin issue that you are trying to correct. Let me know down below. I'm really interested in knowing. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram at KiaraSelina and to join the family here on YouTube if you would like to see future content like this by subscribing down below and turning on your notification bell. That way you'll be the first one notified whenever I post future content. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much, and I will see you all in my next one.